she likes, what she likes, and she could put it all on you, baby. If you bout that life, because you don't got time to choose it.
Hey tribe, it's Kia from Heritage 93, and I'm back at it again to finally spill the beans on a question I've been getting a lot the longer my nails grow. In this video, we're taking it back to my square nail days where I finally broke out the ruler to measure the girls, once and for all. And in addition to giving y'all the measurements of each nail bed and the overall nail, I thought it'd be fun to rank the girls with nail award style commentary. Sound good? Okay, let's get started by assessing the day-to-day damage. Okay, the first showgirl is left hand thumb up and ready to go. She's got a slight split on the side, but this hyponechium though. I'm noticing that the longer my nails grow, the longer this soft tissue extends from under my nail. Just a smidge though. Give this video a thumbs up if your hyponechiums pop up to say hello from time to time as well. We're twinsies. Now right hand middle finger has had her struggles with splits and snaps on this side here, but she's pretty much back to full health, thank goodness. And poor left pinky fell on her face one day and has this middle split here that's just made itself right at home. So sad. And for my measurement device, I'm using this flexible wordy ruler in the key of centimeter. And now, the measurement portion of this ceremony is underway. So let's start things off with right hand pointer up with a 1.8 centimeter nail bed and a 2.6 centimeter overall. Next up is the carefree middle finger that goes at her own pace. Despite her struggles in the past, she still managed to measure in with a solid 1.6 centimeter nail bed and a 2.2 centimeter overall. Way to go, Mitty, way to go. Ring finger strolls in just behind pointer, identical in the nail bed division with a measure of a 1.8 centimeter nail bed, but falls a tenth short with a 2.5 centimeter overall length. Now Pinky pulls herself together for the measure with a 1.4 centimeter nail bed and a 2.3 centimeter nail length overall. Despite having a bit of a breakdown, Pinky has displayed a great demonstration of persistence and strength. Job well done. Onwards. Last but not least, it looks like we have a bit of a front runner at this point in the competition. Right thumb steals the show with the solid 2 centimeter nail bed and gives the girls a run for their money with an overall length of 2.8 centimeters. The thumbs up has them shaking. Well, that's one hand down, but the real question is, how will the other hand measure up? Stay tuned to find out. On to the grander measure, shall we? First up from the left hand society is pointer finger. She starts things off with a 1.7 nail bed and a 3.1 centimeter overall. Not bad. Despite the deceiving look, head on, the free nail is slightly shorter than the nail bed. The deception. Next up is middle finger, also known as the breadwinner of the bunch, coming in just over pointer finger with a 1.8 centimeter long nail bed and a 3.2 length overall. Although middle finger has that slight edge over pointer, pointer has in fact a slightly higher nail bed to overall length ratio. The competition stiffens. Here, and now we have ring finger, who has tied nail beds with middle finger at 1.8 centimeters, but falls to third overall with an overall length of 3 centimeters even. You can never get too comfortable in the competition. Let this be a lesson to you, Ring. And now we'll press on for the powerful, the poised Pinky. Despite Pinky finger being 1/3 shorter than the taller middle finger, she still holds down the fort of her own court with a nail bed length of 1.4 centimeters and an overall of 2.7. Not bad, Pinky. Not bad. And lastly, it looks as if we have a bit of a thumb war on our hands. Captain Queen Thumb reigns in with a nail bed length that stretches to a whopping 2.2 centimeter and an overall nail length of 3.7 centimeters. She came back with a vengeance to annihilate the competition with an unapologetic fierceness. Queen Left Thumb has been rightfully crowned the nail bed and overall length category champion. Well done, Queen. A nail well grown. Okay, the results are in and the award ceremony for each nail category is underway. The winner of the most improved nail goes to right hand middle for continuing to flourish despite all chemical and physical adversities. May you continue to have happy nail growing, Mitty. This next award is the Surprise Award. The recipient of this award has been the most shockingly progressive in her length and reign over the fallen nails. The Surprise Award goes to none other than Queen Thumb from the Left Hand Society. Stay humble and true, Queen. Your reign rests in your hands. The next prize is the Tandem Award. This award goes to the nail pairing with the most difference to create an interesting tandem of character, length, and wonder. This award goes to the Mitty twins, noted for their dramatically different overall lengths and, more interestingly, their noticeable differences in nail bed lengths. Congratulations to both of you. Stay beautiful. And last but not least, the best in show nail, awarded to the nail, of course, in the best overall condition, the more poised of the bunch, and the winner is, we have a tie. Congratulations to Pinky and Ring Fingers from the Left Hand Society. Stay beautiful and humble. So yes, that concludes the Nail Awards program. Thank you so much for tuning in. Who was your favorite from this week's competition? Was one of the showgirls snubbed? Be sure to cast your comments in the comments section before you go. And as always, thank you guys so much for watching. Happy nail growing to all, and I will see you soon in the next one.